Good morning to all. Welcome to the E-class of DePaul School, Baripur. Good morning, children. Children, how are you all, children? I am sure you are fine at home. Children, today I am going to teach Standard 5 students Grammar Way, lesson number 14. This lesson is in your annual exam course. So children, my request to you, please watch this video seriously because unless you understand the lesson, you cannot know what is there in that lesson. Now, as we are not in direct contact with each other in the classroom, so it is this medium will make you to clarify the doubt regarding this lesson. So it is request to you, please watch it attentively at home, so that whatever is there in this lesson, whatever I am teaching you in this lesson through this video will go to you without any doubt. The lesson is the going to form, means ing form, that is present continuous form, or past continuous form. It can be future continuous form as well. So going to form means continuous form. In this lesson we will read. We use the going to form of the verb for action that will occur in the near future. Example, you are going to be late for school. Means when we use ing to the verb, that means the work or the action is going on. It is not over yet. One example also I have given here. You are going to be late for school. You can see you are going to, ing go. If you will add ing to go, it will become going to. Means you will be late for school. So as it is in present continuous tense, we have to use ring. Now we will talk it about it in detail. Ming is used with I, means when we use I in present continuous tense, that time we write M and ing form of verb. Example, I am going to study till late at night. Second one, I am sleeping now. I am swimming in the river. In these three examples you can see am going, am sleeping, am swimming. Means when we write I, that time in present continuous form we have to use only am. In only I we have to use am. None other noun or pronoun we can use I. It is only I pronoun we have to use am in the present continuous form. Is plus ing is used with singular noun and pronoun. Example I have given. Means when we write any singular subject, whether it is noun or pronoun, you have to use is there plus ing form of verb. How it is? He is going to be a doctor, to be a great doctor. She is going to become a dancer. It is going to rain tonight. You can see he, she, it are three pronouns. He, she, it, three singular pronouns. When we write about singular pronouns, he, she, it are the three singular pronouns. That's why we have written there is going in to become a doctor, going to become a dancer, going to rain tonight, is going. But when we write noun, Ayush is singing song, the cow is grazing in the field. Ayush and cow are two nouns. These are also singular nouns. So in this case also is ing, is singing, is grazing, because when we write singular noun and pronoun in present continuous tense, we use is ing form. Is plus ing form of verb. Whether it is singular noun or singular pronoun. In both the case we have to write is plus ing form of noun. That is in present continuous tense. R plus ing is used with plural nouns and pronouns. Means when we write instead of singular noun or pronoun, when we write plural noun and pronoun, that case we have to write are plus ing form of verb. Here some examples are given. We are going to leave for Ankit's house. You are going to get a gift from your father. They are going to buy a new car. We, you, they are three plural pronouns. We, you, they are three plural pronouns. In these three plural pronouns, we are writing are ing form of verb. The fourth one, Manu and Sanu are reading now. You can see here Manu and Sanu are two name or nouns given here. So are reading is their helping verb, are is there, and verb, main verb or base form of verb read is ing with it. So Manu and Sanu are two names, so they are plural noun having are ing form of verb in present continuous tense. Here examples are there, exercises are there. Bit number A, fill in the blanks with is, am, are plus going to in the verb. First one, the cat is going to attack the mouse. Because cat is singular, is going to attack. Snow is falling in Srinagar. Snow is singular, is falling. The cattle is moving towards the grassland. Cattle is also singular, is moving. We are visiting our friends in Pune. We plural pronoun are visiting. She is going to be an excellent teacher. Here she is also singular, so is going to be an excellent teacher. So if the noun or pronoun in singular form, we have to write is ing. If they are in plural form, we have to write are ing. Bit number B, complete the sentence with going to form. Here also ing form. Let's start. Question number 1, it is very hot, so I am going to take a shower. I, as I told you, present continuous tense, I will always have am ing form. I am going to take. You are hungry, so you are going to eat. You can see you are plural pronoun, so are going to eat. Third one, my tooth hurt, so I am going to meet the dentist. I is singular pronoun, so am going to meet. Fourth one, it is dark, so she is going to switch on the light. She is singular pronoun, is going to switch on the light. Fifth one, they are bored, so they are going to see television. They, plural, are going to see television is in the present continuous form. Bit number C, rewrite the sentence by changing the verb to the going to form. Means here verb is in past tense or simple present tense. You have to change into present continuous tense. Sarthak called his friend. Called is in the past form. We have to write in going to form. Sarthak is going to call his friend. You can see is going to, when you write called become present tense call. C-A-L-L, call. Second one, Priya walks to the office. It is in simple present tense, but you have to write in going to form, that is present continuous tense. Priya is going to walk. When we use ing form, that time walks will not have s to it in the present continuous tense. It will be simply walk, W-A-L-K. Priya is going to walk to the office. Third one, I studied all night for my test. Studied is in past form. This is in past tense, but you have to write in present tense. I am going to study. Studied will be in present tense, study. I am going to study all night for my test. Fourth one, we are watching television now. But it is in present continuous tense, but we have to write in, it is in going to form, that is we are going to watch. We are going to watch television now, not watching. That is we are going to watching means simple, this is present continuous tense, but we have to write in going to. That means that time ing will be not there with watch. It will be only watch. We are going to watch television. This lesson is also over, children. My request to you, please watch this video again at home and be serious about your exam. Thank you for watching this video. If I will be very pleased if you again repeatedly you will practice at home and you will go through the exercises, you will see the video, then it will be great help for you in the future. Goodbye children. God bless you, and be at home, stay at home, listen to your parents and think about your exam, that is your annual exam. Bye bye.